Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can read what we call the blob files within Matomo Analytics. So probably you already know about the Matomo raw data, which are in fact the log table of Matomo. But when it comes to the table named Matomo archive underscore blob, we barely understand what it is about. So those refer to the archive reports. And what is happening is that the values of those archive are over here written within binary files. And as a result, it's not that easy to get into it. So for example, if I'm just I'm just gonna take a table I feel comfortable with. Let's imagine that I take this table, I click on it, I'm gonna get a bin file, and if I want, for example, to open up this bin file, I'm going to get a file which is like this, and I won't be able to understand what it's about. So I talked about it to a partner of mine named Ronan Hello, and he told me, oh, but I can create a script in order to be able to read those values and then understand how it works, because the thing is that if we understand how to import some standard data within Matomo, some archive data, then we are able to massively import data coming from a third-party system such as YouTube, such as Twitter, or any other, let's say, proprietary software in which they don't give you an access to the log. So of course, it won't change your life within Matomo, like you won't be able to cross the data, but you will be able to have in one single place the different data that you are looking for. So that can be kind of funny to have Twitter data, YouTube data, or any other statistic from one huge proprietary platform, so as that's the case for Google Analytics import or Google Search Console import. In order to do so, Ronan created a script that you can find on his GitHub repository named openmouse/blobreader. So it's a simple PHP script that you can install on your local server. So this is what I did over here. Then you go and you fetch let's say the file that you want. So in my case, that's the one. I just click on select, and then you just click on send. And in my case, this is the final result. So here it shows you that in fact this blob file, which was the one of the action, the report actions, is listing the title of the pages. And then we have columns here that we need to define what those are about. And then we get the different metrics. So those are in fact the calculated data that Matomo got for, I guess, the given time period, which is December the 1st, and I guess we should have the same for let's say other dates. Yep, let's see if I can get some for other dates. Oops. Yep, so maybe okay. Okay. So here, in fact, if we find out how we can import our data set from YouTube or Twitter within those tables, good chances that we can, in fact, import data easily from a third-party platform without using the HTTP tracking API, which is more log-oriented. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks, Ronan, for the help.